And today I want to share my experience with something that I honestly believe every household should have access to. It's called the Lost Generator, and it's a digital guide that shows you how to build your own independent power generator using simple engineering principles. But before I tell you my story, quick warning, only get the Lost Generator from the official website. There are fake copies out there, and you don't want to end up with incomplete or wrong instructions. I've left the official link in the description and pinned it in the first comment so you can access it safely. Now, why did I decide to try the Lost Generator? A few months ago, we had a sudden power outage in my area. It lasted almost 24 hours, and I realized just how dependent I was on the grid for food, lights, heating, even charging my phone. It was frustrating and a little scary. I knew I needed a backup plan, but traditional generators are noisy, expensive, and require constant fuel. That's when I found the Lost Generator, a digital step-by-step guide that teaches you how to build a quiet, low-maintenance, fuel-free generator that can power your essentials whenever you need it. Here's what's inside the Lost Generator. Clear, beginner-friendly instructions. You don't need to be an engineer to follow along. Detailed diagrams and parts list so you know exactly what to get and how to assemble it based on simple engineering principles, efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly, works with everyday tools, no expensive workshop required. I downloaded the guide, went through the materials list, and was surprised at how affordable everything was. Within a weekend, I had my own generator built and ready to go. It's quiet, compact, and produces enough energy to keep my fridge, lights, and essential devices running during an outage. What I love most about the Lost Generator is it's a one-time investment. No monthly costs, no fuel dependency, eco-friendly and safe to use indoors or outdoors, perfect for emergencies, camping, or even lowering your electricity bill, instant digital access. You can start building right away. Of course, this isn't a plug-and-play gadget. You do need to follow the steps and spend a little time assembling it. But once it's done, you'll have a reliable backup power source that's yours forever. So that's my personal experience with the Lost Generator. If you want to be prepared for blackouts, live off-grid, or just reduce your dependence on the power company, this guide might be exactly what you've been looking for. Just remember, get it only from the official website. I've linked it below in the description and in the first comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.